Did you take a 3-hour nap?
Daddy mowed.
Mm-hmm. He mowed the lawn. It looks really nice.
Yeah.
You want to go see it? You still waking up? You want some milk? Did you have any dreams? What'd you dream about?
Dogs and kitties.
Dogs and kitties?
Yeah.
That sounds like a nice dream.
Tigers.
Tigers?
Tigers right there.
That's a lion.